3:30 day trade set up for today. So, what to say? Yesterday we had a range bar and a red one at that. So we had a green one the day before. We got a red one yesterday. Basically bounced off this trend line again, and that trend line for me is pretty much the top of the channel. Difficult to showcase the channel on the daily, but you do see it fairly clearly on the lower time frames. We are above the moving average at the moment. It is sideways right now. And what I'm anticipating is, yeah, we do have non-farm payrolls today. And if you look here, this is another, if you understand your chart patterns, you will see we have what is referred to as a diamond pattern here. Okay, so that is a consolidation pattern. Normally, breakouts from diamond patterns are fairly volatile and follow through. At the moment, the current trend was up. There it is there, although we're in a downward channel. So let me just zoom out again. You can see the bigger picture. So you can see there's our channel. There's our consolidation pattern right now. That's an important level to pay attention to. And we're kind of at this neckline, and I'll show you the neckline now. I think that's important on the hour. So if you look here, you'll see shoulder, head, shoulder, confusion. Okay, break down, break up, down, up, down, up. Sold off the top here fairly well off the top of the channel. Come back down, have still formed a higher low. There it is there. And now we're coming back to attack this level here. So I suppose this level here which is 25,761. It's not really a level. Let me get rid of the noise. It's more of a zone. You can see if I just do that across the tails, there you go. You'll see it's very much a zone. So we need to get through this area, and I'd go as far as to say we need to get through this trend line here. So that means breaking above these fractals here and retesting these fractals. So that is 25,856. Okay, so I'm still bullish. Even with the chaos of yesterday, I think we had some good news come through from Europe. We had some noise on a vaccine as well, which also drove the market up, and then kind of just fizzled out. I think what's happening now is we're waiting for non-farm payrolls. So we get a positive number on non-farm payrolls together with all the positive noise of yesterday. There's a fundamental situation that'll brew which would possibly catapult us out of this channel. Personally, I think with the Feds involved at the moment, there's only one direction for this, for the Dow right now, and that is up. And maybe not to gather its thoughts all the way up to previous highs or something, but definitely a breakout of this area up into 26,400, 26,500 area at the moment. And it just depends what kind of data comes out today. Okay, so yeah, I think that's pretty much my view on this at the moment is we're looking for opportunities to buy. They haven't really materialized just yet. Sorry, that doesn't help us. Just zoom in. So, we're not finding support off levels here. We're all over the place. And even now you can see we're buying, selling, buying, selling. So there's nothing really transpiring at the moment. And I think this is going to continue for the rest of the day until we get all the data coming out this afternoon. Remember, tomorrow's public holiday, July the 4th, public holiday. So pretty much a 3-day week. A 3-day weekend for the US coming up. So, yeah, it's going to be volatile. It's going to be wait for the data, trade the data, and then go off on the weekend. So be careful of that. Be very cognizant of what's going on. For me, I am waiting for non-farm payrolls, not jumping in on this at all until we get some data and some direction. The other thing that's concerning me is that there's diversions from this to the SMP. So the SMP is actually looks like it's broken the channel where we hovering around here on the DOW. Okay, so anyway, guys, my advice today is really sit on hands. That's exactly what I'll be doing, and then see if we can find some opportunities to buy. But there's nothing really at the moment based on what happened yesterday. Big down, big up, big down, big confusion, clear patterns, clear breakouts of the pattern, and we're still not following through. Pretty much what happened here on this double bottom. Clear pattern, clear breakout, clear retest, no follow through. Okay, so that seems to be what's in motion right now. So let's just see what happens with the data this afternoon. That may be the catalyst we're looking for. Until then, sitting on my hands, keeping my money in my pocket, not worrying about this at all. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.